All right, it's officially raining in the rainforest. Whew. All right, super muddy. Second fucking time. I'm good. Gotta try. Oh man, it's a big mud pit. Oh, see, I could do this. Just busting my ass. Look, a dead light. Alright, we got it. Super muddy. Super slippery. Alright. Let's just show y'all. Straight mud. Felt like 4 times. I made it. It's Jurassic Park. It's not Jurassic Park. This is Lost to Nahas water slide. This is not the slide. I'm making my way to the slide. So I'm making my way downtown, walking fast. Hey, you need my help? No, I'm good.